How to increase YouTube views for free in 2020. In a very competitive world like YouTube, getting more video views is more difficult than before. Although this is a fact perhaps uncomfortable to some, but it is a fair truth, and with some help and effort, with the help of this video, you can get great advantages through it. In fact, increasing YouTube views is not a separate process as some think, but it is a process related to many other aspects, which begins from the stage of creating the YouTube channel for the first time. Yes, this is true, as every component of your YouTube channel represents an opportunity to achieve increased YouTube views. This is of course if you can do it right and thoughtful. In this video I will put your hands on every element, idea, characteristic, and feature, which can help you to increase YouTube views completely free of charge, and then achieve your marketing or profitability goals on YouTube. Do you really want to get more YouTube views? If you follow the video with focus and interest until the end of the video, you will get what you want in an organized, simple and easy to apply, and above all you will get effective ideas that will make a big difference in your success on YouTube. Noticeable. As we mentioned before, increasing YouTube views is not a separate stage, so you will find me here talking about fundamental and initial points of your YouTube channel and videos, which start from the initial stages. Content is king. This sentence is considered one of the most famous sentences in the world of e-marketing, and it is a short but expressive sentence, and behind it contains a lot of power that makes a big difference between adults and children. The content is the king, and the king will remain, whether in the kingdom of the written content or in the visual content kingdom, i.e. videos, specifically the YouTube videos that we are talking about today. But what does the phrase content mean in the YouTube world? How do you, as a viewer, want to increase YouTube views by producing royal content with which you can win millions of views? This is exactly what we will answer in the following points. Keep following and keep your focus. What does the content in the kingdom of YouTube mean? The content in the world of text videos like our article means everything that is written in front of you in the video, which represents an idea that is covered or explained through written and audible texts. In the world of YouTube videos, the content means everything that is displayed in that rectangle. This includes image and sound. It is also supposed to deal with an idea, explain a way to do something, or display a set of information. Content in the YouTube world is a set of visual and audio elements that aim to achieve a purpose, and because the video world is a world wider, flexible, and innovative than the world of text videos, so there are many options and ways that you can choose among them to produce YouTube content. Here is a list of the most important ways to produce YouTube video content. Note, we will assume here that you are fond of raising pets, have a channel or seek to create a YouTube channel about pets. This is just an example, we will be happy to explain. 1. Live YouTube video. This method relies on the use of the camera to shoot live scenes, through which it can create innovative and rare content that attracts millions of views. It takes some effort and patience to get the perfect scene, but with some preparation and experience it is possible to get great scenes with less effort. In our previous example, as a YouTube pet owner, you can photograph your pet while having fun, playing, and making funny acrobatic moves. 2. YouTube video program, such as TV programs. This method is one of the most popular ways to produce professional videos for channels that discuss, explain, and present ideas and topics in various fields. In this method, mostly one person appears in front of the camera to talk about an idea or explain an issue, according to a pre-prepared script. According to our example, on your channel you will produce videos in which you talk about pets and how to breed pets, and in each video deals with a specific aspect of it. 3. A representative YouTube video. In this way, to create YouTube content that displays your ideas or topics through an analog video, i.e. a movie clip as a model or simulation of a scenario. In our example, you can make a clip, for example, to demonstrate a model of a problem between two partners due to the pet, and also demonstrate how to solve this problem well. Notice that in the first 3 ways you will mainly rely on the camera to make YouTube content. 4. YouTube video through one of the programs. In this way, you will create a video through a specialized program. There are dozens of programs with which you can make YouTube videos without using the camera, including screen recording software, image compilation software with texts, advanced animation software, and graphics programs of all kinds. In our example, you can make an animated video, for example, to explain some information and behaviors on kennel. Note, there is a difference between video creation software and video editing and editing software. Editing and editing software are indispensable programs for creating YouTube content in any way. Video making software is software that specializes in making a complete video without using the camera. Some programs of this type are integrated programs for making and editing videos. How to create a professional video, step by step. Best video making program with resources to learn to use it. These 4 methods are the most popular to produce YouTube content, but you must understand that there are many other sub-methods, and also there are many different ideas that you can use with these methods. Of course, you can use 2 methods together to get a distinct introduction or end to your video. Why is the content also the king in the kingdom of YouTube? I will answer this question through a set of data, which will lead us to answer the result logically. 1. Let us agree that what stands behind YouTube is an ancient company, which is Google, and let us also agree that the primary goal, whether for Google in general, or for its giant YouTube project, is to make a profit. 2. On the other hand, let us agree that YouTube users are people who seek to get a solution to problems, answer questions, or obtain entertainment through YouTube. Of course, they feel good when they find a great, high-quality video for the purpose they want. 3. For YouTube to continue to thrive, and to obtain the highest level of profits from its users, it should put the user's satisfaction primarily on its priorities. Based on these 3 data, we conclude that the content is the king in the kingdom of YouTube, and it is the vital first element on which the increase in YouTube views depends, and then it is the element that you should pay particular attention to. How to produce royal content to achieve increased YouTube views. Royal content is not superhuman content as some think, but it is subject to a set of criteria by which you can produce royal content and generate millions of views on YouTube. Here is a set of the most important royal content specifications that can increase YouTube views. 1. Royal content is legal and not in violation of YouTube laws. No one wants to waste their effort in vain, so clever developers should start browsing YouTube's laws in detail and with interest, and avoid breaking those laws. 2. Royal content is content that puts the viewer first and seeks to please him in any way. In our previous example of a pet channel, assuming you are a pet lover, I searched on YouTube for a video that talks about basic vaccinations for a newborn cat. In this case, what are you waiting for from a video that talks about this topic? The video presenter is professional in knowing all the points about this topic. The video content is accurate. The video contains reliable information as a result of research from reliable medical sources. It covers the entire content of the video. The video deals with the most important side points related to this topic. I can put in a lot of other specifications, but the bottom line here is a video that provides content of a high level of quality and efficiency, and thus satisfies the viewer. Note, good content does not only mean academic and scholastic content, but good content is an attribute that must be applied to any video, whatever its purpose. For example, YouTube comic channels can also produce interesting comic content, which fulfills the purpose of enjoying the viewer, adding a comical atmosphere to his time, and extracting the laughter inherent in it. 3. Royal content is professionally extracted. You are an expert in animal husbandry and you have a lot of information, but you do not have the capabilities and skills with which you can professionally produce a video. What's the point here? Here are the most important points that will enable you to professionally output royal content. High quality image. Clear voice. Good presence from the speaker. Professional script. Professional montage. We have talked about the content in detail, and we have given it special importance in our topic, because without good content, not everything will pay off. My friend, are you ready to go for the rest of the hubs responsible for increasing YouTube views? Bring your favorite drink and re-energize your mind, and let us continue our journey together. Setting the channel as it should help will increase YouTube views. Your YouTube channel is the primary interface for your presence on YouTube. You have to take great care of every video posted, and this is going to be covered in a little while, but there are a lot of things to do in the channel itself, which contribute greatly to increasing YouTube views. Here is a list of the most important points that you should pay attention to on your YouTube channel. 1. Create channel icon. It is the small image that appears in the channel in the top left. The image must be convincing and accurate to your trademark, and it can be recognized very easily, and it is preferable to place an image at a size of 98 x 98 pixels. You can use one of our logo designers to create a logo that expresses your channel and content, or you can do this by using one of the most popular logo design programs. 2. Channel image. It is the big picture that appears in the background of the channel, like the image of disbelief in Facebook. You must choose an attractive image that reflects the activity of the channel and what is presented. The ideal image size is 2560*1440. You can change this image from time to time to express popular events and recent activities on the channel. Also, if you decide to publish a video every week on a specific day, you can add the phrase "every Tuesday" to the design, for example, to draw the user's attention to when to publish new videos weekly. 3. Channel description. A compelling description of your channel must be put on YouTube, allowing viewers to know why they are interested in the videos you post, and what content you provide through that channel. Write a professional description of your channel, in which he spoke about your passion and goal in creating this channel, and how you put the user's satisfaction in the foreground, and it is okay to put some marketing phrases that urge to subscribe to the channel and contribute to its dissemination. 4. Adding links to social media pages. Putting links to social media pages helps give the channel a professional look, and also enables you to build a community on these social media sites, and then market your channel to attract more views. 5. Create a special promotional video for new visitors, and a special video for the returning subscribers. YouTube allows you to divide your channel's visitors between new, unsubscribed visitors, and returning subscribers, and enables you to choose a video for each of the two categories. You can choose an appropriate video to address the visitors of your new channel and invite them to subscribe to your channel, and you can choose one of the featured videos to share with the subscribers when they visit the main channel page. 6. Create playlist. Playlists must be created for your channel's content, so viewers can watch videos in a row after the first video ends. Playlists should be divided so that each list contains similar, complementary, or closely related videos, and good titles should be put in place for each playlist. Playlists help get more views of each video that plays, without having to switch to the channel's main launcher. You can include and share playlists on the main page of your channel. Playlists are great for educational or entertaining content that tells a story with relevant videos. It has also been proven that combining every new video you create with a playlist with old videos already getting views will make it get a very large amount of additional views. 7. Set a fixed schedule for publishing new videos. Search engines recognize and YouTube always recognizes active channels. The more videos you publish, the better interest will be to crawl your channel better, and then raise its rank in search engines. This, of course, will increase YouTube views. You must post new content at least once a week, and your content download schedule must be fixed. I see many successful YouTubers making new videos on fixed dates every week, continuously, so that the audience becomes sure that he will see a new video every Sunday, for example, and he visits the channel on time to see the new video. If you are having trouble getting new ideas, you should go back to the article How to Get YouTube Video Ideas. My friend, do you keep your focus yet? I hope your answer is yes. There is still a lot of information and ideas that I would like to give you so that you can increase your YouTube views. We have so far addressed all his money related to the content and how to produce royal content, and we have also dealt with all his money related to the YouTube channel itself, and now let's move on to everything related to publishing videos on YouTube. Setting the video as it should, will bring you more YouTube views. Content is the king as mentioned before, but there is the outfit in which the king appears, and it is in the YouTube world that is of very special importance. The king must appear in the royal uniform in order to obtain the prestige that makes everyone respect and value him and know his destiny. Here are the most important points that will enable you to put the content of your royal videos in the royal uniform. 1. Choose the appropriate title for your videos. One of the most important factors on which you get YouTube views is the title of your video. Before YouTube users can see your videos, they must find them first. The user will only be able to find your videos by choosing appropriate, interesting, and descriptive titles. Here we have to point out that a good short title that appears entirely on the user's screen is the one that appears clearly as a professional title, and consequently is clicked on. Also, if you choose a title with the most important search words used by YouTube visitors, which should already be closely related to your video content, then you take the first real step on the way to obtaining good YouTube views. 2. Pay attention to describing your videos. The video description is the means or the way by which you define YouTube about what your video talks about, and therefore it is a primary source for YouTube in order to classify your video, and then it appears in the search results based on this classification. Also, the description is another great opportunity to include your keywords and search terms, in order to get the most opportunity to find your video. In the description you can also put links to your blog or pages on social media, and you can write full texts present in the video. For example, in the case of the song you can write the lyrics of the song. 3. Choose tag video accurately and smartly. The video is the tag as the video keywords, so you should carefully choose the tag for the YouTube video you are uploading to also reflect the content of the video, and together with the title and description of the most important triangle on which the success of the video depends. Also, writing the appropriate tags helps YouTube sort the video and include it according to the appropriate classification, and then it appears in the appropriate search results, and this of course raises the percentage of clicks and then increases the views. 4. Thumbnail is one of the most important attractions of your video. Make sure to choose a suitable image from the 3 images that YouTube itself suggests, or add a special photo that you upload yourself. This is of course the most professional option. Avoid making an attractive image, but away from your site's content, as this will harm the video. 5. Add end screens and cards in the videos. End screens and cards are advanced features added to YouTube, and you can use them in videos, through which you can increase interactivity and get more views. End screens. End screens are a special screen that you can display at the end of the video in the last seconds. You can choose to display them in the last 5 seconds, and up to the last 20 seconds. You can display other videos in front of the viewer, or you can invite the viewer to subscribe to the channel. Cards. Cards are interactive messages that you can create and embed in your YouTube video content, through which you can promote your official website, encourage viewers to take an action, or do surveys for viewers. Other points to make your videos get more YouTube views. 1. Add videos to social media pages. Although most of the social networking sites provide the ability to upload the video directly, the sharing of YouTube video links on social media sites still has an impact, and it is possible to achieve good results, especially in the case that was applied intelligently. One of the great ideas that you can implement, making a summary of the video and uploading it on social media, noting in the end that the entire video is on the YouTube channel, with the link to YouTube. The promotion of your videos through social media does not always have to be direct. For example, you can make text posts in which you talk about the content of your videos, with the link of the video in the comments and a reference to that in the post. 2. Ask your audience about the content they want. It's amazing for the viewer when you ask him what he needs or what he wants to watch, then you go and make it for him. In fact, this helps build bridges of loyalty between you and the viewer. You can also create the content that the viewer wants without asking, by repeating the ideas of the videos that got the highest viewership. What is meant here is repeating the content of the idea and not the idea itself. I made a video about cat vaccinations, and wow, if you do one about dog vaccinations, and one about pet rabbits and other subjects, You can link this idea to the idea of promotion through previous social media sites, where you can directly through social networking sites to create a questionnaire to get new ideas for your channel, and at the same time promote the published content. Example, you have a channel about bodybuilding, and you have a channel's Facebook page. And you've covered a previous video on your channel titled 10 Tips for Every Bodybuilding Beginner. Now you can write a post like this on your Facebook page. In a previous video on my channel, I covered 10 tips for every beginner in bodybuilding. What thoughts would you like me to explain in detail in the next video of these 10 ideas? Also, you should always read the comments of viewers permanently. It can be a treasure to create new content. 3. Encourage existing viewers to subscribe. People who watch and enjoy your videos are a great source for potential future content viewing. Once you subscribe and follow your channel, they can choose to be notified every time you post new content. This method will generate instant views once a new video is posted, by sending an automatic alert from YouTube to the user. Always ask your audience to subscribe to the channel and activate the alert feature, by adding a phrase urging the viewer to take follow-up action in attractive and good terms to subscribe. Also, at the end of the video itself, invite people to do the like of the video, and ask them to share the video with their friends on social media. For the first 5 seconds. Studies say that most of the YouTube video viewers, through the first 5 seconds of the video, decide whether to complete the rest of the video or to close it. So make the first 5 seconds of your video as powerful and attractive as you can. The first 5 seconds represent the strength of the magnet that you can mold yourself to make the viewer stick to the video to the end. 5. Take advantage of the embed feature. If you have a personal blog or a site for your channel, you must include your videos in this blog or this site. Include the YouTube channel's subscription button in a clear location on the blog. If you do not own a website or blog, then it is okay to create a free WordPress blog specifically for that, and then download topics related to the subject of the video with the inclusion of the video itself through the embed feature. Also, set the video settings to allow any website or blog owner to embed your video on his site or blog through the embed feature provided by YouTube. You must make a special adjustment to enable this feature, as it will not be added automatically. In the end, I hope that my talk is really beneficial to you, and in this case I hope that you are also generous and help this video reach more people who need it. In the winners, we make every effort to provide content that deserves your time, and what we want from you as well is only assistance in reaching this useful content for everyone who needs it, and subscribing to my channel and liking as well. Thank you very much.